Hi, this is Francis from Easel. Today I'm going to be talking through how to use the line tool in Easel. This is the second toolbar option on the Easel toolbar, and you select it. It's the little fountain pen icon. When you select it, you'll see a point at the end of your mouse. And when you click on your design, that's going to set a point down, and then you draw your line from that point. And when you click, it will set another point, and then you can continue your line. Or if you click and then click again, it will complete your line. Some things to kind of know about using the line tool is when you set your first point, if you're moving in the same in line with the other point along the x-axis, you'll see that the line turns red. That just means it's locked into place and moving in line with the point. Very similarly, if you're moving along the y-axis, it will lock into place, and when it's red, that means it's in line. So that's a good way to kind of visualize how your using the line tool is staying in line with other points. And then you can also use the line tool to kind of close in or make shapes. And once you've done that, you can change those shapes to clear out a pocket. So you can use it to draw shapes. You can also draw curves with the line tool. You can do this by setting a point, and then when you set your next point, if you click and hold, it'll give you a curve, and you can adjust that curve. Ooh, I'm adjusting my whole screen here. You can adjust that curve in Easel, and when you're good, you can set that point. You can also do it multiple times. So if I do that, then it'll give me another curve, and I can do that, and then just keep making curves. And that's a really great way to just kind of draw curves really quickly. Once you have your line, you can also edit the points on it to change certain points from straight to curved if you want to. That's also very possible. So that's just a little bit more about using the Easel line tool. Have a wonderful day.
To learn more, head over to easel.com.